What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cloud back at it again. Back for y'all, back here with another video for y'all. My last video I showed y'all, I told y'all that I had sold 3 black Canada gooses for 600, and I was supposed to sell 4, but they didn't buy the last one, and it was white. I just sold that for 340. Here go the cash profit right here, all dubs. 1720s. And then this that 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. Stack that like that. So this is 940 right here. Then I got like 3-4 stacks on Cash App. And then like 1,500 on Chime for the reseller. So like I said, I got 3 Canada Gooses on the way. They will ship out after the Chinese New Year festival is over, which is February 4th. As you see right here, I got 3 North Faces and 2 Montclairs. I'm supposed to have a meetup for a North Face today. My brother's still supposed to send me 100 for a North Face, and he's supposed to grab these Montclair, at least one of them. I got some offers on Depop for 120 for one of the Montclairs, and I was gonna take it, cause if y'all know what I paid for it, I still made good profit, but I ain't rushing it, and I know my brother want that jacket as well for 150, so I just give it to him for more money than I would have made off Depop, and it's a close person. So yeah, like I said, I'll record and let y'all know if I sell one of these North Faces, and that's my profit for today. Today is January. What's today? January 30th. So yeah, I'm gonna keep posting daily vids for y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. We gotta stay engaged because we a family and we grow together as a family. We gotta continue to put people on knowledge, and we not gatekeeping nothing. I do have vendors. My IG link, Instagram link is in my channel description, my YouTube channel description. So just go there, click the link, DM me, and then ask or let me know what you need. As far as jackets, cologne, shoes, clothes, all that good stuff, electronics, AirPods, and then I'll just send you a vendor. I do charge $10 per vendor, and I'll give you a vendor bundle, starting at minimum of $50. But yeah, that's it for that. It's the cash flow. Let me get a good spread for y'all. But yeah, we still in motion, and I'm gonna keep y'all tapped in and stuff, and let y'all know what goes on with these North Faces today. Peace. What's good, y'all? This is the jacket that I sold, the white Canada Goose size large. I did pay $83 for this one alone, and that's including shipping. It took about 2 to 3 weeks to ship. I have had orders from this vendor ship out within 4 days, and I mean, the package has landed within 4 days, and then I've also had a package land within 7 days. So the vendor does ship out fast, and the packs get here fast. I believe it was just because of the season and the holiday times that kind of, fuck with the shipping times and shit. But other than that, yeah, y'all could tap in with me on IG, like you see on the screen. My IG is viral.content999. So you could just type that in on IG and DM me. I do charge $10 per vendor. If you want a bundle up for vendors, if you want multiple items, then we could work something out. Other than that, it's $10 per vendor. You can get at me with whatever item you want. Send me pictures and shit like that, and I'll find it for you. But that's pretty much it. Y'all about to see a picture of the messages. from the dude I sold it to. And yeah, I'm out.